Hi, I'm Daniel Kingsley. I'm the Director of Presence Training, and this is our guide to the principles of authentic public speaking. So the next of the principles I'd like to share with you is this one. And it's okay. And it's okay. And what "and it's okay" refers to is the fact that when we are speaking in public, we're going to be experiencing emotions. That's absolutely normal. And the difficulty that a lot of people get into is getting worried about the emotions that they are experiencing. So there's a difference between feeling some nerves and feeling worried about those nerves. There's a difference between feeling some effects of adrenaline, whatever they are, and getting worried by those effects of adrenaline. And the secret here is the audience doesn't respond to what you're feeling. The audience responds to how you are feeling about what you're feeling. In other words, if you're okay with the nerves, the audience will be okay with the nerves. And the difference between these two positions is, I'm feeling nervous, I've got a dry mouth, my voice is a bit shaky, that's a real problem. Oh my God, what's going to happen next? Which of course makes things worse, which will actually trigger off more adrenaline, which will trigger off more of those effects, and an attitude of, and it's okay. And it's okay. I'm feeling a little bit nervous, my heart's beating a little bit quickly, and that's okay. If you've got an attitude of "and it's okay," the audience will also have an attitude of "it's okay." It's the difference between coming in front of an audience. If you were to say this and saying, "Oh my God, I'm feeling really nervous," which is something your audience wouldn't feel okay with, and "Hi guys, I'm feeling incredibly nervous right now, but there's some things I really want to tell you," which the audience will be absolutely fine with. And actually, the more okay you are with whatever you're feeling on the inside of your body, actually the easier it is to feel those feelings. It's not like the feelings go away, but it takes the edge off them. A lot of the time when we're feeling this stuff, we are sort of at war with ourselves on the inside. And by adopting an attitude of "and it's okay," we can end that war. It actually gives us more relaxation on the inside, even in the midst of the feelings which may still be a little bit uncomfortable. And of course, it stops us spiraling off into a vicious circle, which ultimately would end up with panic. So the next time you're standing up in public and you're feeling things that maybe you don't want to feel, just try saying to yourself, "and it's okay. My heart's beating quickly, and it's okay. My mouth's a little bit dry, and it's okay." Don't say these things out loud, you're just saying these things to yourself as a way of reassuring that part of you that was getting a bit worried. And I would expect you'll be astonished by the difference it will make. So I hope you've enjoyed this principle of authentic public speaking, and it's okay. And if you have liked this video, please like it, please share it, do subscribe to our channel. And do come and visit us at www.presencetraining.co.uk for more information about authentic public speaking, and you'll also find details of our workshops. And I look forward to seeing you next time for the next of the principles of authentic public speaking.